the student prepares 6 reaction mixtures, and these are the composition in the 6 reaction mixture. And the passage already say that this is a experiment that measure the urease activity, and they say that when the reaction occurs, there's an increase in pH because ammonia is being produced. So therefore, based on this one, every time you see an enzyme catalyzed reaction, the best is you write down the equation of the reaction first. So urea is converted to ammonia. So this is mentioned in the passage. Of course, you do not know the CO2 is also produced. If you know the full equation, you can write. Okay. Then the enzyme is urease. So write like this, you see very clearly. So ammonia is basic. So because of that, it will cause a pH will drop. Sorry, what does it mean drop? pH will increase, okay, because of ammonia being produced. So when more and more ammonia being produced, then the pH will increase. So this is how they see whether the reaction occurs. So the question asks the student, so there are 3 statements that are given. The students are asked to match the statement to the reaction mixture where this thing occurred. So the first one is very easy. No reaction took place because urease was denatured. So check which one urease denatured. Boiled urease, right? This one here. Where? Okay. The urease is boiled, so it's denatured. So therefore the answer is 6. Okay. Then the next one is part 2. There was no reaction because there was no substrate for urease. That means no urea, right? So look for the reaction mixture without urea. That means the answer is, this one got no urea. So it's number 5. So answer is 5. Now the last one is more challenging. The last one, the reaction did not occur. That means no reaction. Because there was an inhibitor present. So according to the passage, right, the inhibitor that they use, there are 2 inhibitors here, 2 chemical inhibitors mentioned, right, which is actually thiourea and lead nitrate. So based on this, then we see, okay, which one got the inhibitor? This one, and this one. Right, we got the thiourea and lead nitrate. Then, so between these 3, which is the one that has got no reaction? Then you have to check. Now, number 5, you already said no reaction because there is no urea, no substrate. Right, so therefore number 5 cannot be the answer. No reaction because of the inhibitor. So number 5 is out. So left 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, which one is the one that got no reaction? Then you have to read the passage. So the passage mentioned earlier that there is reaction for reaction mixture 1 and 2. See, the student recorded an increase in pH in reaction mixture 1 and 2. So the moment there's increase in pH, that means there is ammonia form, right? That means 1 and 2 got reaction. So if 1 and 2 got reaction, which one got no reaction? 1 and 2 got reaction. That means this one got reaction, even though it got thiourea. That means the only possibility is number 3 got no reaction because number 2 got reaction. So answer is 3. Okay? So the answer for part 3 is 3. Right, the next one is a graph is given, graph of initial rate versus concentration of urea. So you're asked to sketch a curve on the graph to show the result when thiourea act as competitive inhibitor. So most of the students get the answer correct. First mark is given for the curve must be lower than that, okay, when there's no inhibitor. And finally, it must end up in the same horizontal line as the one without inhibitor. So first mark is given for the first part of the graph, which is this one here. Second mark is given for second part of the graph, which is this one here.